So we all know that when representing clients in family law proceedings, whether it's private law children, whether it's public law children, financial remedy, or even the international cases in the High Court, the issue of vulnerability is a very important one. And it's something that has attracted a lot of attention throughout the last few years in particular. But I would say in 2023 and towards very recent months, it has attracted a significant amount of attention, rightfully, in the sense that the goal is to ensure that vulnerable witnesses, which includes your clients, the parties to the case, other witnesses who are being cross-examined or participating in proceedings at whatever stage, that they are fairly represented and adequately represented in a manner which is pursuant to their Article 6 human rights, their ability to have a fair trial. We often know, and it arises significantly in my view, in public law proceedings more than private law children, but it needs to be looked at in both equally and or other areas of law. But we know, for example, when somebody has a significant impairment of intelligence, the issues of an intermediary is looked at quite early on, a cognitive assessment that may be embarked upon, and HMCTS will have to book and arrange an intermediary to assist the person in the case. So a court needs to bear that in mind. But also, there could be other reasonable adjustments and amendments that's needed. Maybe somebody has a physical disability or suffers from a physical disorder. Summarising on that particular point, the relevance of the overriding objective and controlling evidence is really important. It's a point of reference for practitioners to consider. Not only does the court have to determine the particular issue, so whether certain evidence should be adduced, but also the impact upon it, practical issues in relation to it. And it's pivotal. The overriding objective and the family procedure rules are pivotal to the representation and participation of proceedings to vulnerable parties. So, for example, and the reason why I emphasise that is, if you're representing a party who is the alleged perpetrator, but the alleged victim is a litigant person, you still have a duty to flag up all these issues to the court, as the court will also assess.